NASA's Artemis program is a bold initiative to send humans back to the moon and establish a sustainable presence there. At the heart of this program is Artemis 2, a crewed mission that aims to test critical technologies and systems needed for future human exploration of the moon and beyond. Artemis 2 is slated to launch in 2024, marking the first time in more than 50 years that humans will travel beyond low Earth orbit. The mission will be carried out by a crew of 4 astronauts who will fly around the moon without landing on its surface. The mission will use NASA's new Space Launch System, SLS, rocket and the Orion spacecraft. The SLS is the most powerful rocket ever built by NASA, capable of generating more than 8 million pounds of thrust. The Orion spacecraft is designed to carry astronauts beyond low Earth orbit, providing a safe and reliable means of transportation to the moon and back. During the Artemis 2 mission, the crew will spend approximately 10 days in space, flying to a distance of about 3,000 miles from the moon. This will provide an opportunity to test various systems and technologies, including life support, propulsion, and navigation. One of the key objectives of Artemis 2 is to test the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will be placed in orbit around the moon. The Gateway will serve as a staging area for lunar missions, providing a place for astronauts to live and work while on the surface of the moon. The Artemis 2 mission will also test various scientific instruments, including cameras and spectrometers, that will be used to study the moon's geology and environment. This data will help scientists better understand the moon's history and evolution, and will also inform plans for future human exploration and resource utilization. Artemis 2 is a critical step in NASA's long-term goal of sending humans to Mars. By testing new technologies and systems, and gaining experience with extended missions in deep space, NASA is building the foundation for future crewed missions to Mars and beyond. In addition to its scientific and technological objectives, Artemis 2 is also an important milestone for human space exploration. It represents a continuation of the legacy of the Apollo program and a renewed commitment to exploring the cosmos and expanding human knowledge and capabilities. The Artemis program has the potential to inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers, and to unite people around the world in pursuit of a common goal. It is a testament to the human spirit of curiosity and discovery, and a reminder of the boundless possibilities that await us in the vast expanse of space. Artemis 2 is a critical step in NASA's efforts to send humans back to the moon and eventually to Mars. The mission will test important technologies and systems and pave the way for future crewed missions to deep space.
Boosters in ignition. And liftoff of Artemis 1. We rise together, back to the moon and beyond.
5 engines on the core stage and 2 solid rocket boosters now propelling the vehicle at 120.